Hi class, so I'm Lizette, and for my video I'm deciding to work on number lines, and this is from section 5.1 and let's see, from 5A. So I'm doing number 5, demonstrate each of the additions in exercise 4 using a number line model. So number 4, I'm going to do 5 plus -3, which is A, and also D, -3 plus -2. Okay, so we're gonna start off by making the number line. So since I'm using a ruler, I'm just gonna separate the equal sized marks by inches. So every inch I'll make a little mark. Okay, so just make my 0 right here. So 1, all the positive numbers come to the right side of the line. And then you can make them negative numbers on the left side. Okay, and so first we're going to start off by making +5. So let's see, this is 5 plus -3. That's going to be the answer. The question. So first you go to the left 5 spaces. My bad, not there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then -3, we're gonna start where we made the last arrowhead and go 3 spaces backwards. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make the tail where the head from the last one is, and we're gonna make the head from this one going to the left since it's a negative number. And then where they both meet, which is right here, this is the answer, +2. And let's see, for the next question, -2 plus -3. So for that one, we are going to make another number line. Whoops. Excuse my messy number lines. But okay, so let's see. Make them about an inch apart again. So let's say this is 0 right here. We're gonna go -1, -2 since they're to the left of it, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. And over here 1, 2, 3. So this one, since it's going to go into negatives, we're going to go to the left this time instead of to the right. So we're going to go -2. We're going to start the tail at 0 and go to the left. And since it's a negative number, the arrow is going to the left also. That's -2. Plus, we're going to go another -3. So we're going to go to the left 3 more spots. 1, 2, 3. And the arrow is going to go to that way as well. And since it stopped at the 5, -5, that is our answer for that one. And okay, so a way that we could relate this in a real world experience or real life is I would say money-wise. Everything revolves around money. So let's say a student has $5 and they spend $3. They could see that through a number line they are down to $2. And then for negative numbers, we could look at a debt situation. For instance, you could explain to a student that if they are in debt, that they've let their friend borrow $2 and they don't have any money themselves, they are in debt -$2, so they could see that in the number line. And let's say they ask their friend to borrow another $3 and they still haven't paid them the $2. They're going to this time be in debt -$5. Through the number lines, they're also able to see the order of the numbers. So they could see that the positive integers are to the right of the number line, and they could also see that the negative integers are placed to the left of the number line. They could also see through this that -5 is less than -2, because any number that goes to the left is has a lesser value than the number than any of the numbers that go to the right of it. So I believe that this could be very useful for students when learning math with their negatives, especially with their negative integers and their positive integers. It's a good visual example for them to see how much money they have lost or how much money they're making and whatnot. Yes, but that's my questions. That's all.